In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form to your website, an essential feature that helps you communicate effectively with your audience. Whether you're collecting feedback, inquiries, or any other information, having a well-integrated contact form can elevate your site's user experience. Let's walk through each step together. We'll start by adding the contact and form section to your website. First, navigate to your website builder's dashboard. Once you're there, look for an option typically labeled Add or Elements. Clicking here will present you with a menu, and you'll want to look for the Contact and Forms category. This is where you'll find various templates suited to different needs. After you've found the Contact Forms section, the next step is to choose a template. Your choice should align with your website's aesthetics and functionalities. Many builders offer multiple templates, ranging from simple, straightforward layouts to more elaborate designs with additional features. Select a template that best fits the overall design of your page while considering what information you actually need from your visitors. Ease of use is vital here, so pick a format that is user-friendly and will encourage your visitors to actually fill it out. With the template in place, it's time to customize the fields. Customization is where you can really tailor the form to suit your specific needs. Consider what information is crucial for you to collect. Standard fields often include name, email address, and a message box, but you might need additional fields such as phone number or specific inquiry types. Most builders offer drag and drop functionality to make this process intuitive. Always think about the user experience. Too many fields can be daunting, so keep it as straightforward as possible. Now, after setting up the fields, it's essential to ensure that the information collected from the form is properly connected. You will need to connect the form to your email or database. This step is crucial because it determines where the information submitted by users will go. Depending on the builder, you might find integration options for connecting your form submissions to your email service or directly to a database. Make sure that the connection works flawlessly by running a quick test. Fill out the form yourself and confirm that you received the submission in your designated email or database. Finally, with everything set up, it's time to publish your changes. Before doing so, review all the details to ensure everything appears as it should. Double check your fields, any error messages that might appear to the user, and the overall layout. Once you've confirmed all is well, hit publish or save changes. Your contact form should now be live, ready to start collecting responses. And there you have it, a fully functioning contact form on your site. Remember, the ideal